Welcome back. Previously we saw how the effect of pair programming is controlled by context. We found out that experience of the personnel developing the software affects whether pair programming is useful or not. We also found out that the desired level of quality is important, as well as the complexity of the application one is developing. In software engineering research, many context factors have been presented. We can see in this figure the complexity that was previously mentioned, quality, and experience. However, three factors are only small part of the 44 factors that have been identified in this work by Paul Clark. Furthermore, these 44 factors have 170 subfactors that go even to more details. And this space of context factors is bad news for software engineering researchers and practitioners, as in principle for any software engineering tool, technique, or process, we should document and understand the situational factors affecting this particular technology. So previously we only covered 3 out of the 44 factors regarding pair programming. We probably did not cover all the subfactors, so a lot more studies should be made before anything definite could be said about pair programming. The number of identified subfactors is very high. So we have 170 subfactors. Let's consider that we have 2 options for each of these subfactors. This becomes a computation where we have 2 to the power of 170 combinational context factors. In other words, 1.5 times 10 to the power of 51. Now this is a number with 51 zeros. Such number is very bad news, since the number of atoms in the world have been estimated to be 1.33 times 10 to the power of 50. So, what Ture Dubois and his co-authors argue is that the scientists and the practitioners should use their intellect to think about what are the most important context factors of a particular problem under study, and then document and capture those factors rather than trying to capture everything as suggested by this figure. To summarize, context is really important when studying software engineering, technologies, tools, processes, or practices. The very large context space makes it impractical to document all the context variables for a particular technology. Therefore, any researcher or practitioner should carefully consider what are the most important context factors for a particular technology one is investigating.